Are you confused after seeing so many web hosting types on the internet and not sure which one to choose? Well, for beginners, shared hosting service is the best option. This type of hosting stores all your website files on the server where multiple websites are hosted. Also, server resources like RAM, disk space, and the CPU are shared among multiple hosting users. So, prices of shared hosting plans are lower as compared to other web hosting options, and this makes it an ideal choice for beginners or startups. Whether you are a startup, a small business owner, or a stay-at-home mom wanting to host blogs or small websites, shared hosting makes things simpler for you. Most of the shared hosting plans come with some storage space, bandwidth, a site builder tool, email accounts, SSL, backups, and more. In a nutshell, if you are a website owner just about to launch your site, you must opt for shared hosting, and if your site doesn't fit shared hosting category, then you can go for VPS or a dedicated server. Did you find the video helpful? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Thanks for watching.